Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on YouTube. Let's watch something new, something different today.
Today, we are going to learn the strategies, techniques, methods to simplify the questions on Math Olympiad. We all know the contest season is already here and we need to learn, we need to know what is the best possible way to simplify the difficult questions. So couple of videos I'll be making on the strategies for Math Olympiad. I have an example on the board similar to the kind of question what you normally get in the Math Olympiads. It says find the difference between 24 divided by 4 times 2 and 24 times 4 divided by 2. So we know we use the concept of PEMDAS. And as per the laws of PEMDAS, we know multiplication comes first, division comes later on, but they are of the same rank and order as addition and subtraction is. Whatever is the operation between multiplication and division, start from left towards right. So let's see how we first simplify. 24 divided by 4 gives me 6. I do 6 times 2 and that gives me 12. Now, next what do? I have 24 times 4 which is 96 and that's divided by 2, that gives me 48. The question says, find the difference between this and this. Last step, 48 minus 12, and my answer is 36. Their difference is 36. Now, I have another question, which are basically the concept, which are based on the seesaw. Seesaw is nothing, we all must have played in our childhood what seesaw is, right? Now, the questions could be based on like, on one side a person is weighing 40 pounds and he is 5 feet away from the center, which is like the fulcrum. The other side could be n pounds and the person is 10 feet away. Now the question would be, find the value of n pounds. I repeat, the questions could be based on find the n pounds. Sometimes they might have given you the pounds. They may ask you to find the feet. Concept is the same. That's why I have clearly written questions based on seesaw. What it says, the seesaw will always be balanced when both the sides are equal, which means 40 times 5 has to be equal to n times 10. And the question says, find the value of n pounds. Simply, n is nothing but 40 upon 5 divided by 10, because you divide both the sides by 10. What do you get? You get 4 times 5 and my n is equal to 20. I'll write pounds. That's my answer. Now, this is another alternate type I have written. It can be a different kind of a question or a variation of a question. So let's see what we do. Again, method is the same. 40 times 5 has to be equal to 20 times x. Now, this is a simple linear equation concept. Those who do not know, they can watch my video. It's already there. and maybe I can share the link in the description box so you can learn simplification of linear equations also. What do? We divide both the sides by 20 and we find the value of x. This cancels with this 20, this is 2, so the value of x is equal to 10. You can write 10 feet, but generally try to write the answer in just the numbers unless the question specifies. So you see, with the same concept we can have different kind of alternate types of questions. The next concept I'm taking here is prime factorization. We have learned what is prime factorization. Okay, what is the difference between factorization and prime factorization? We'll not be discussing over there. We will simply jump onto a kind of questions what you find in Math Olympiad. So what we do, just make the use of the exponential powers. 2 raised to the power of 4, so we will take 4. 3 raised to the power of 2, we will take 2. 5 raised to the power of 2, I'll take 2 again. Plus 1, that becomes 5. 2 plus 1, just add 1 to the exponential powers and multiply them. It is 3. So eventually what we do, 5 times 3 times 3, and that gives me 45. My answer is 45. Whole numbers are the factors. Now you must be wondering, why did we add 1? This we have been learning in our normal strategic math classes, that to find the total number of factors we add 1 because 1 is also a factor. I'm going to make another video on complete explanation on this, that why we consider or why we add 1 to those exponential powers. But for now, just for the competitions, understand whatever is these powers, 4, 2, 3, whatever the exponential powers are given to you, add 1 to that, multiply, get the answer. So with this, I'm going to finish today's session, otherwise it will become too much lengthy and you all will get bored. So prepare well, all the best.